Hey YouTube, it's another tutorial on a Zippo trick lighting pans, which is number 5 on my Zippo tricks. This one is pretty fast, and as always I like to apologize for my kids if you hear them in the background. This one is real fast. What you're going to do is you're going to use your leg real easy. Like if you're at the bar stool and you're sitting down, you have your lighter, the hinge to the back. As it opens like that, what you're going to do is you're going to use your pants, come up like that, and when you come down, back down, you're going to hit that wheel and you're going to go like that. The coming up motion is actually opening up. Then when you come back down, you just hit lighten it, hitting that wheel and then coming up like that. And that is your tutorial of lighting pans. As always, it's been a pleasure. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.